guys, it's Jasmine here, and for today's video I'm filming a cleaning my room in the middle of the night video. You can see by the end of my bed right now, there's a pile of clothes at the end of my bed, a packet of spicy ramen, and a bunch of hangers and an Amazon package. My room has just been a mess for the past few weeks. I've just been really lazy. I've been really busy and lazy to clean it. I work 3 days a week and I go to school 3 days a week. So I only have 1 day off. So I don't have a lot of time to clean my room. And also I'm lazy, so when I'm home I'm just watching YouTube videos and stuff. So I decided, oh, why not kill 2 birds with 1 stone, make a YouTube video and clean my room. A lot of people do clean my room videos. One of them I watch a lot. It's called, her name is My Family. You guys probably watch her a lot. She has 100,000, 200,000 subscribers I think. But she's really funny. She's from Canada. She makes these cleaning my room videos. And I got inspired by her. So now I'm doing my own cleaning my room video. By the way, I look like a mess. I have no makeup on right now. I look like I need help. So I'm sorry if you are scared of this. My hair is in a bun because I don't want it in my face. Whenever I clean or whenever I cook or whenever I do stuff that's requires me to move, do a lot of energy and stuff, I like tying up my hair because I don't like having my hair in my face. I should probably show you guys my room right now and how gross and messy it is because it's not the best, as I said. This is my bed right now. The situation is I have a bunch of clothes that when I wear clothes and I don't want to put it back, I just throw it on my bed. So I have it all at the end of my bed, and whenever I sleep I feel it at my feet and it's kind of annoying, but so I should clean that up. Oh my god. And then moving on, this is my bookshelf. My bookshelf is one of the cleanest areas of my room. So I don't have to deal with that. I just have to put my snack box and organize it a bit, and maybe organize these drawers a bit. And then I have my, okay, I should maybe put on socks because I feel very uncomfortable if someone sees my toes. So I'm gonna do that right now. Yep, just a bunch of shoes that I should organize, a plastic bag full of plastic bags, a bunch of boxes, PR stuff that I have to film soon, and then I have my desk. My desk is not the worst. It's just very scattered, and I have this McDonald's frappe on my desk and 2 different Hydro Flask tumbler cups, and then this cup of I don't know what was in here, and then a bunch of money. What the hell is that? What? That is not my hair. I think that's a part of my fur jacket or something. But yeah, by the way, I have this grid on my wall. I'm probably going to take it down soon because I don't really like it that much. I put it up for 2 weeks and I honestly just think it looks messy. And I'm probably going to add a shelf to here and do other stuff with my room. And also I have a bunch of messy stuff up there, but I'm not going to deal with that because it's too high right now and I'm a little short. I'm pretty sure I wore this bodysuit 10 times without washing it, so I'm probably gonna wash it right now. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna start cleaning this bookshelf now. It's not that dirty. I'm just gonna reorganize a bit. If you guys didn't know, I love these Korean spicy noodles. I think they're really good. These are the noodles that people use for the spicy noodle challenge. I did the spicy noodle challenge before, but I did the 2 times spicy noodle challenge. I'll link that down below if you guys want to watch it. I did it with my boyfriend and it was really funny. But the original ones are really good. They're not that spicy. And I also got the curry one, so I'm very excited about that. So I'm going to put all of my spicy noodles in this little basket down here. You guys can't see it because it's not in frame, but I'm going to put it on here. I love these baskets from IKEA because I just shoved so much stuff in it and it just looks so cute because the basket's so cute. I think it was like 12 bucks. This is Buddha beer. I got this during Lunar New Year in like 2013. I don't drink it. I don't drink beer. I don't like alcohol. I just have this for display because it's really cute. Like, do you guys see that? It's Buddha beer. Oh my god, it looks so little. Hey guys, I'm now gonna tackle this side of my room. Probably won't look too organized because I don't have area. I don't have somewhere I can put the boxes. Some of my boxes of shoes, so I'm just gonna stack them in the corner and hopefully it looks fine. And yeah, I'm gonna go clean up this area now. By the way, I got these shoes from Fashion Nova. They're really cute. I like them a lot. I wore them the other day. They're not too comfortable, so I'm gonna buy socks for them, but I'm probably gonna wear these a lot. I also got them in white. You can see me right over there, my leg. I'm gonna now vacuum my room. Keep in mind it's 1 AM right now and my family's sleeping and I'm just hoping they don't get mad at me. I don't want to wake up my family, so I'm just gonna save the rest for tomorrow. Now I'm gonna clean my desk, so this is the last thing I have to clean, I believe. And then my room will be clean. Well, clean. I feel like my room is very cluttered, so I'm never really clean. But yeah, I'm gonna go clean my desk now. I'm so tired. Fun fact, I got this Navy pen because I was with my boyfriend when he was getting like recruited or whatever for the Navy, and they tried to recruit me too, so they gave me a pen. And by the way, if you guys are wondering why I haven't been vlogging with my boyfriend, it's because I haven't seen him for a couple months. He's been visiting his family in like Maryland. Yeah, Maryland, and then he's gonna leave for like, he's joining the Navy. So if you guys didn't know that, my boyfriend's joining the Navy, so that's why he hasn't been in that many vlogs lately, or any vlogs lately. I haven't seen him in a while, and I'm not gonna see him for like another 3 months. Hey guys, so I'm now done cleaning my room. That was fun. And now my room is clean, slightly. I kind of just shoved a lot of messy stuff in other corners that you can't see. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you guys do, thumbs it up and let me know. And if you guys want me to do more cleaning with me videos, probably when my room gets dirty again. Probably won't be too long until my room's a mess again. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. It is now 1:30 in the morning. You see this? I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's now almost 1:30 in the morning. And yeah, I should sleep now. Guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I got in one little fight and my mom got scared and said,